If you truly want to separate yourself from your competition, it's so important to get great photography. We are such a visual experience. We provide images and scenes for customers, and to actually showcase your own work in your photography book is something that really allows you to elevate the conversation. Most customers are very visual. If you just have drawings, they really aren't sure how it's going to look. But if you could showcase other projects you've done and you could flip through your book or hand the customer your book, it's going to elevate the discussion and it's going to elevate you in their eyes. So I'm a huge proponent. Every spring, every fall, we're in the northern climate, so it's important when the trees and the landscaping look its best to get great photography done for all your projects so that you could showcase to your customers the level of work you're able to perform. Finally, if you have that great project and you've qualified the customer and they have an understanding of the scope of work you're looking at, what we have found that's been very effective is our design and rendering program. Having a full-scale drawing, working documentation of what you're looking like for your work orders and fixture placement, specification of product, that's important to have to elevate the conversation. And renderings really showcase your vision. So we have our designers, our design team will actually sit down and we could bring your vision to life. So you could actually show your customers on a full blown out 24 by 36 poster what their project is going to look like. That's going to elevate the conversation. And we have found that we've experienced a 70% closing percentage for our Sterling Lighting customers when they've used our design rendering program. So if you're looking to close bigger jobs and really express your design ideas to clients at an elevated level, this has been the best program to accomplish that. At Sterling Lighting, we walk in your shoes. We are lighting designers that are meeting customers on a daily basis, so we understand what you're going through. And we have a family of our clients that also work together through our Landscape Legends group to our different summits and other events we have. So if you're looking to have a group of great lighting designers and an assistant design team and the best products, I ask you to make Sterling Lighting your product of choice and elevate your landscape lighting, close more sales, and build your business.